Hello and good morning to everybody. So here it is. Let's have a look at some new cool stuff. I have MadLaser here on my left side, and on my right side I have Capture 2022. What I want to show you is how MadLaser interacts with Capture in this case. First of all, we need to do some really simple setups. Then this is the cool thing of both of these softwares. So let me go to the Tools section, and in the Preferences, let me go to the Laser section, and first of all, enable which software I'm using, because you have different choices here. You can have WYSIWYG and the Pons, but I'm working with Capture. So there it is. I selected my Capture. Then I went to my DMX input because I am simulating ArtNet. I have chosen my interface that is simulating ArtNet because I'm also experimenting some stuff with other softwares together, like DMX consoles and MadLaser and Capture. So on further videos, you will see some real cool stuff. This is what I need to set on this side. So DMX input, and in the laser section, just enable the visualization. Say OK. On the other side here, what I have to do is quite simple. I will select the fixture that we have inserted in Capture 2022 because it's the one that we have in the house at this minute, at this time. I'll show you what we have done in the options to make it work together with MadLaser. Simply in the media section, I have selected MadMapper, how you can see. Now, what's happening? Oh, simple as it is. Let me put everything back and show you what's going on. Okay. I will use something really also funny. It's the audio, so you can see what's really happening together with MadLaser. Let me add here. There it is, and voila, here you got the laser. Oh, fantastic look. Really fantastic. Let me see what's happening here. Voila. Now you can see how MadLaser is working together with Capture. Fantastic, because meanwhile I'm talking, the laser is showing me what's happening in real time. So this is really cool. Repeat myself, this video is only to show how things are set to be connected together on one simple PC, like it is. Further on, there will be other videos regarding how to do effects and things like that, and all the nice things you can do with MadLaser. Obviously, it's quite simple. I will just do one, two to show you. If you want to create a Shen, here it is. This is my first one. And if I want to change content, I can do that. This will be my second one. So if I launch my first one, there it is. If I launch my second one, there it is. Fantastic. The thing is that this gives us a big chance to work easily at home, to set up things like we love. So this is something that I really appreciate. MadLaser here is working flawlessly, and Capture 2022 is beautiful, and together, to my opinion, it's a personal one, it's a fantastic couple. So have a great day. I hope you like this video. There will be other videos showing obviously other things, how you can work with MadLaser and apply effects and things like that. This was only for how to set it up to make it work with capture and see what you are seeing now. Have a great day, people.